To scan for unknown trackers on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will have to open the settings, and right now you will have to scroll down into Safety and Emergency. Now go for Unknown Tracker Alerts and simply click to scan right now. And it should actually detect every tracker there is nearby. So as you can see here, I have the Apple AirTag. It's not connected with my Samsung. It is actually connected with my iPhone and my Apple Watch. And let's see if it's gonna actually detect this one. I'm just wondering. And if it detects, then we will be even able to ping it. Okay, it actually finds all of my AirTags, and now I can simply try to ping it. Take a look. Play a sound, and I can do this with every AirTag nearby. So we can do this like so, but if it is too far away, then we'll be not able to play a sound. You have to also okay, now you can hear it's playing a sound, and that's all.